Good morning, children. Today we are going to study social studies. So take out social studies book. See here. Social studies book 1, chapter 2, my body, page 14. So let's start. Open the page 14. So children, it's revision. Okay. See here first. Short note is very important. All the parts of our body help us in doing our work. Our eyes help us to see. Our nose helps us to smell. Our ears help us to hear. Our tongue helps us to taste. Our skin helps us to feel. All these are our sense organs. Okay, so it's very important. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, now children, exercise. See here, brain drill number 1. Answer the following questions. A1. I write here the answer right side. Everyone follow me. Number 1 question. How many years do you have? How many years do you have? Question. Answer. Number 1 answer is here. I have 2 years. I have 2 years. Okay. Number 2. What is the function of eyes? What is the function of eyes? The function of eyes is to see. Number 2 answer. The function of eyes is to see. Number 3. How many sense organs do you have? How many sense organs do you have? I have 5 sense organs. I have 5 sense organs. Number 4. Which part of the body do you use to smell? Which part of the body do you use to smell? So answer is here. I use my nose to smell. I use my nose to smell. Okay. A answer. Children, practice nicely. It's very important. Next, B. Okay. B. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. B. Number 1. Okay. Option, see here, option 4, fill in the blanks, and 4 option is here. Eyes, ears, tongue, nose. Number 1. We taste with our, yes, we taste with our what? Right tongue. T O N G U E. Tongue. Okay. We taste with our tongue. Number 2. We hear with our ears. Okay. Ears. E A R S. Ears. We hear with our ears. Number 3, we see with our, children, we see with our, yes, eyes. E Y E S, eyes. Number 4, we smell with our, yes, nose. Right here, nose, N O S E, nose. So I hope everyone understood. Children, practice. Okay, fill in the blanks is very important. 4 option is here, and practice nicely. Next, true false. See, true false. See, write T for true and F for false statements. Okay. Number 1, we have two nose. We have two nose. False. We write here F. Okay. F. False. Statements wrong. Number 2, the skin helps us to feel. Again repeat. The skin helps us to feel. Yes, it's true. 3, each part of our body needs special care. Each part of our body needs special care. It's true. You brush your teeth, so it's special care, needs special care. Otherwise, your teeth damage. So each part, okay, each part of our body needs special care. You combing your hair, so special care. Okay, it's true. Next, 4, there are 4 sense organs in our body. 4 sense organs? No, children, it's wrong. Wrong means false. Okay. So I hope everyone understood ABC. Question, fill in the blanks, true, false. It's very important, this page. So children, practice. Take out your school diary, write your homework, chapter 2, pages 14. I hope everyone understood. So, practice.